Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. It's me Tejas from Get My Uni, India's one of the finest sources for online educational content. Our aim is nothing but to provide you with the most updated and relevant educational information all around the globe so that you can make your best career choices moving forward.
In this video, we will discuss the tips and tricks with which you can understand and create a solid self-introduction for yourself. Self-introduction for students refers to a clear, confident, and concise introduction. It should explain the student's identity, personality, and what things should be known to others. A student's self-introduction includes the name and essential details about them. Besides, they also have facts creating an ideal impression of the person. When you do your self-introduction, you can keep these points in mind to create an amazing impression. 1. Remember always to wish. By wishing good morning or good evening, a person initiates a conversation and grabs the listener's attention. 2. Have a purpose. It is necessary to have a better understanding of the motive behind the conversation. Always try to make the conversation impactful and engaging. 3. Provide a name. Start by telling your name in a lively voice to make them remember the following words spoken by a particular person. 4. Profession. Tell about your work experience, career, or anything related to work. Sometimes it's okay to exclude work experience in the self-introduction for students. However, if there are any internships or part-time jobs, students can include those too. 5. Location. Speak about your background and area of residence. One may include a native place and tell about its specialty to help them remember the site. 6. Hobbies. One may tell them about hobbies, areas of interest, and activities one gets involved in. This can help to know about nature and lifestyle. 7. Aims. Mention the objective of life and give a detailed description. 8. Discuss achievements. Include one's achievements in the introduction and mention what one has achieved till now. 9. Strengths and weaknesses. Mention strengths and weaknesses in a self-introduction. Make sure not to include major flaws and give a detailed description of the strengths possessed. 10. Differentiation. In one's introduction, students should speak about their uniqueness and what makes them stand out, which is the essential aspect of self-introduction. 11. Conclusion. In conclusion, offer an unforgettable answer to the question the spectators possibly will have when they listen to a public speech, "What's in it for me?" And 12. Greeting. Say thank you and exit. Also, make sure that you are presentable and always maintain eye contact as well as a smile on your face. This kind of self-introductions for students helps build a persona and creates an impactful impression on the people one addresses. Students can grab attention and pique interest with a strong introduction. To know more about the importance of self-introduction, the tips and tricks as well as the books to enhance your self-introduction skills, do check out the link in the description.
With that, we come to an end to today's video. For more such exciting content and relevant information, do subscribe to our channel and check out our website at www.getmyuni.com. We'll be back with another exciting video. Until then, stay tuned.